Hi. Welcome to iMaintain video tutorial by IMT Tech. Before we begin, let's download the iMaintain's mobile app from Apple App Store or Android Play Store. Ready? Let's start. To start using the app, you can log in using the user ID and password provided to you. If you don't have it, kindly request from your superior or the person in charge. Or, you do have it, but you have forgotten the password, you can tap on click here below. Then, enter your email address. Later, you will receive an email from the system for the next step. Now, if all is good, tap on Login. Dashboard will be displayed. Before you start, please ensure to choose the right project assigned to you. To check or switch, you can tap on Project Switcher on the bottom bar below. It will show the current selection of your company and project. To switch, just pick your company and project from the choices available. All drop-down will be able to be viewed if the management granted the access to you. Then, tap Switch Project. Project overview displayed now are based on your selection. Next, tap on the setting icon at the bottom bar below. In this tab, you will be able to view, edit or update your app or profile setting. Tap Profile. You can update your name, contact info and change your password in this tab. Let's say you have a new contact number. Just delete and enter the updated one. Once done and the contact inserted is correct, tap on Update Profile. Your profile now displaying your new contact number. Change language. There will be few option of languages that you can choose. If you are more comfortable with other language such as Bahasa Melayu, just change it by tapping on Bahasa Melayu. Your app now will be displayed in Bahasa. You can also simply change it back to English on the same tab. Next, new feedback form. You will be able to add a new maintenance works, or a feedback by submitting a new feedback form. First, tap on the plus icon on the bottom bar below. A new feedback form will be displayed. You will need to fill all the details of the work precisely so that the person assigned will have a better instruction on the job to be done. Choose the exact location and services from the drop-down available. The location and service needed of the complaint area is very important, especially if it is a huge building. Your management will add as many location and type of service which can be very precise in detail, so please go through all before choosing. It also very important to double check both item before continue with other item. Next, put in a short and simple title of the job. And then, you may describe in details of the job that you would like to be done. It is not necessarily to be long as the point is there and assigned person can understand, should be fine. Next, work assigned to. You may assign to the person who the most suitable and responsible for that kind of service or job you requested. If needed, add the additional assigned person to. Both of the assigned person will be notified of this request once you submitted this form, and then, choose the priority of the request. It will determine on the date line of this job. Also, current status of this request. Please attach the image of the complaint area. It will help to validate the ticket and also for future use once job has completed. Just click on Add Image, snap the photo using phone default camera. Tap Use Photo to save the image snapped. Don't worry if you're in the area with no internet coverage, you can save this form as draft first, and yes, you won't lose any details you have filled. Now, you already have your internet connection back and would like to submit the form. Easy, all you have to do is tap on any counter in the middle area. A pop-up will appear to synchronize the draft, which means to automatically submit the form. Tap Sync now, and the app will handle the rest. There you go. If you're the assigned person, a notification will be received once form submitted successfully. The list of submitted form will be displayed in this General Feedback tab. You may scroll down to look for the specific ticket that you want. Other than from the dashboard, you can also fill a new feedback form by tapping on the plus icon above. As for the drafts, tap on pencil icon above. If you have any, it will be displayed here. To make it easier for finding the right ticket, use the filter button that we have. Tap Filter. You can choose to filter all the tickets by sorting it, in what order, by its status and also by the complaint area. And then, tap the filter button to apply the selection. Besides the filter button just now, you can also choose to view the ticket by its status and complaint area from this main page of this tab. Alright, now, let's proceed with other modules that we have in this iMaintain app. First, check-in. Tap check-in to check in your location. Before that, please ensure you enable this app to locate your current location. If the location displayed is accurate, tap confirm. Now, inventory. In this tab, it will show all inventories that the building has. The pencil icon above is for the inventories that you have saved as drafts before. If any, it will be shown here. Filter button can also be applied. Choose and tap filter. Now, let me show you how to check out the inventory if you happen to need it for the job assigned. Choose any item, tap reduce item quantity. Now, select the checkout date, and also the quantity of the item that you would like to use. Put together the reason of checking out the item, and a short necessary remarks. Instead of checkout right away, you can save this as draft first. Now go back to draft. Then, tap on the item. You will be able to delete or edit the item. If edit, tap on edit draft. Upon checking, you did it wrongly. Don't worry, just go back and tap delete draft to delete. Since your draft is empty, just go back and choose on any item that you would like to check out. Repeat the same process as before. Fill in all the information needed. Once done, tap on checkout to save. Now, let's move to announcements. Announcement tab is where you can find all announcement by your management. It can be a general information, maintenance notification or any relevant things to be informed. To view in details, just tap on any announcement from the list. Next, preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance basically is a scheduled maintenance, that usually done to maintain the asset in the building. All tickets in the list are tagged to the specific asset. To have a better view of the maintenance work scheduled, tap on calendar icon above. Now the tickets has been classified and shown under its scheduled date. If the date has maintenance work, it will appear as dot below the number in the box. Next, go back and tap on the 3-line icon above. You will see all assets that this building has. You can view the list of assets, also with the details of the asset category and at current locations. Then, tap on any asset to view in details. In this tab, you may also see the feedback that has been raised under this specific asset. Also, the preventive maintenance. If you have a new preventive maintenance to be done, just tap on the icon on top right to add. First, choose the date of when the warranty will ends. Then, put in the date of the maintenance that has been scheduled. Next, insert some remarks of the preventive maintenance. You are also able to add in images that's suitable for the maintenance works. Tap on Add Images, choose Take a Photo if you would like to use your phone default camera. If all information is completed, tap Submit to save. The app will create a ticket for this scheduled preventive maintenance work automatically. Next, Contractors. Tap on Contractors module to view all listed contractor that engage with the building. Tap on any contractors from the list to view their information and details. Next, the Corrective Maintenance Counter. This counter will show your current tickets number which categories by its status. This is a live number and it will change if the status of any ticket has been updated. Let's tap on Pending Counter. It will straight away bring you to the ticket that under pending status. You can view or update the ticket assigned in here. Tap View Comments to view comments that has been posted for this ticket. You can also add a new comment on the progress on the ticket. This comments can be posted for internal view or to self-care. Tap Post internally if you only want the authorized person only to view your comments. For some cases, the ticket is either wrongly assigned or you need another person to get the ticket done with you. Workflow. This is where you can amend it and create a new correct workflow for this work. Don't worry. It is not that hard. You just have to fill in the description of the new workflow. And assign the new person in charge for the job. It can be one assignee or with additional assigned to. Then, choose the current status of the ticket that will be created. Done and all good? Tap Submit. Did you know you can directly check out inventory from the ticket? Yes, you can. Tap on Inventory, and a list of available items will be displayed. Then tap on the item that you would like to use for this job. Follow the checkout process before. Fill in the checkout date, quantity, reason, and remarks. Once done, tap Checkout. Notification. Notification tab is where you can find the update of ticket, new announcements or anything that management would like to notify you. From the list, you can tap on any notification to view in details. Next, user that based on roles functionality. For some roles, the management has restricted the modules that can be viewed. Let me show you one example. First, tap on Profile below, and tap Log Out. Now, log in using other user ID with different role. Okay, let's be a chargeman. As you can see, the dashboard is a bit different. Based on the role setup, a chargeman cannot view contractors list. So when he log in into this app, the contractors modules will be hidden. However, if you can see at the top right, there's a code icon which a facility manager cannot view. If you tap on that icon, a QR code scanner will be displayed. This function is basically for the chargeman to quick scan the asset, and it will display the asset details right away. Don't worry, all modules and roles are configurable. Please have a discussion with your management about it. And yes, I am done, and that is all about the iMaintain app. You are now ready to use this app and enjoy it at its most. And lastly, if you are done using the app, do not forget to log out. Safety comes first, right? Tap Profile below, and tap Log Out. Hope this video will be able to help and guide you to use the app at its most. Worry not, if you have any other query or concern, feel free to send it to your management, we will surely respond to that. See you and thank you for watching.